Roofers across the country are choosing fiberglass roofing mops for asphalt application on build-up roofs. Why? Easier application, higher quality jobs, and substantial cost savings. Nearly 50% of roofers across the United States have switched from the traditional cotton mop to the highly improved fiberglass roofing mop. In the past, high-quality hard cotton mops were made from tire cord scrap. Today, cotton mops are made from scrap textile fibers, making it difficult to obtain pure cotton fibers. Most cotton mops are made from cotton fibers blended with synthetics, which burn quickly in hot asphalt. On the other hand, fiberglass is an inorganic, heat-resistant material manufactured under stringent quality controls. Fiberglass is the modern material for roofing mops.
There are three principal advantages with a roofer using a fiberglass mop. The one that we talk about the most is the economics. The fact that a roofer will use 3 to 5 cotton mops a day, where he would be able to get away with only using one fiberglass mop a week. So that's a comparison of up to 25 cotton mops a week for one fiberglass mop. The second one is that the spread of a fiberglass mop is much better than a cotton mop, enabling a roofer to have a better coverage of the roof. And when applying asphalt over fiberglass felts, there's a need to have more asphalt in between the bonds, and a fiberglass mop will do a much better job of covering and coating the roof. The third advantage is that glass is not saturated like cotton, therefore the asphalt flows off of the mop rather than having to be squeezed out of it. And you get a better flow, therefore it's easier for the roofer to apply the asphalt.
Asphalt flows out of a fiberglass mop better than a cotton mop. With fiberglass, asphalt coverage is increased and improved, and an even distribution of asphalt with no voids is possible. Fiberglass mops glide across roof surfaces, while cotton mops tend to drag. In this comparison of fiberglass and cotton mops, you can see that the flow of asphalt from the cotton mop is reduced, and the roofer has difficulty getting good coverage, even though the mop is still saturated with asphalt. Because the flow of asphalt is slowed, the tail of the mop cools and drags across the roof. The fiberglass mop shown here picks up and delivers more asphalt to the deck, more uniformly and with improved flow. Fiberglass transmits asphalt and heat through the mop, resulting in easier application and coverage of a larger area in less time.
Okay, the cotton mop seemed to die. You'd come out and it had a lot more drag to it, whereas the glass mop held a lot more hot and it slid a lot better. Actually, it went a lot longer.
Fiberglass mops are the choice of cost-conscious roofers. Fiberglass will withstand the high temperature of asphalt for days, while cotton mops char and burn in a matter of hours. Because they burn quickly, cotton mops are replaced at a rate of 2 to 5 per day per crew. One fiberglass mop, however, can be used for at least 1 week. That means a potential cost savings of $50 per week per crew. Fiberglass mops are available in 2 styles. Ready-made mops are preferred by most roofers. These mops offer convenience and improved pickup. Circle or ring mops allow the roofer to add to the mop as it wears, giving consistent day-to-day performance. Whichever mop style is chosen, it's important to remember that a fiberglass mop must weigh at least 2.5 times more than its cotton equivalent. Both mops will weigh the same when immersed in asphalt. But because the fiberglass strands are not saturated, the fiberglass mop will deliver more asphalt and will feel lighter. Cleaning the fiberglass mop at the end of the workday shortens the time to reheat it in the morning. First, squeeze the excess asphalt off the mop with a smooth object, like a shovel or a 2x4. Then, fan the mop out to expose as many of the strands as possible. It may be left this way or hung by the handle. 3 to 5 minutes in the mop bucket will get it started in the morning. consistent quality, non-absorbency, heat resistance, durability, uniformity, cost savings. These advantages make fiberglass roofing mops the choice of quality-conscious roofing contractors. Fiberglass, for a better job, an easier job, and one that costs you less money.